Hello, and welcome to Mining Review Africa. Today we are speaking to Tinus Brits, Global Product Manager for AXXIS Detonators at BME, about AXXIS Titanium, an exciting new product that is set to revolutionize blasting in the mining sector. Tinus, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Gerald. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Okay, so definitely, Tinus, exciting news. Can you give us an overview of AXXIS Titanium, please?
Yes, sure, Gerald. The AXXIS Titanium is BME's new electronic initiation system. The AXXIS system was developed in-house, and it's a fully programmable, accurate, safe, and easy-to-use electronic detonator system. The electronic detonators are controlled and fired remotely from a controller box. A controller box can use multiple blasting boxes, and each blasting box can communicate directly through a cable network to a group of up to 1,000 detonators per blasting box. The detonators are then programmed and tested through a logging process using a handheld Android logger device.
Oh, great stuff, Tinus. Thank you for that. So can you tell us, how does AXXIS improve on the features offered by its predecessor G2?
Sure. The titanium design was built on the achievements of the AXXIS G2 model and raises the bar in many of the features that we've seen and served our customers as well. These include further refinements in, for instance, safety, the accuracy of the system, flexibility, ease of use, and the speed in preparing a blast. Some of the top features of the AXXIS Titanium systems are dual voltage, dual capacitors for inherently safe logging and testing, quick logging and testing and low voltage testing, non-volatile detonator memory storage, programmable timing to 35 seconds at a 1 millisecond intervals, a delay accuracy of about 0.025%, a copper alloy detonator shell for improved dynamic pressure situation, and then a robust downline cable that is available in copper or copper-cladded steel.
Thank you, Tinus. So how does this product improve on blasting performance? Can you list a few features for us?
Yeah. The detonator's accuracy, combined with the huge range in firing time, gives a unique flexibility in the timing designs. This allows blasting engineers to design the blast timing to achieve the blast results in fragmentation, limit wall damage, and control ore dilution, heave, and the environmental impact.
Thank you, Tinus. Now, obviously, safety is key when it comes to blasting. So can you tell us more about the dual safety that AXXIS offers and the importance thereof?
Safety and security has been given a top priority in the design of the AXXIS Titanium system. Most electronic detonators rely on only one basis of safety for logging and testing the detonators. AXXIS Titanium actually has two bases of safety. First, at the lower voltage, which is below the fire sensitivity of the fusing. It is used during programming and testing and ensure the detonators are inert while the persons are directly working with the detonators. The second basis of safety is the detonators are safe through the split power supply system. This means that the main firing capacitor cannot be charged during the programming or testing phase of the detonators. This feature is also referred to as a dual capacitor in each detonator. One capacitor supplies energy to the microprocessor during blast time, and the other, that is your main firing capacitor, are only being charged by a specific encrypted command. There's also an internal shunt that assists in the safety discharge of the firing capacitor if needed.
Thank you, Tinus. So, can can you explain the benefits of integrating AXXIS with other BME products such as blast maps?
All the digital information associating with the titanium system has been integrated within our powerful blast and planning logging software, BlastMap and XplorLog. BlastMap is used to design and simulate the blast, and then the design timing can then be programmed directly into the timing detonators or indirectly during the logging phase. The database of the XplorLogs supplied all the critical information on hole charging and quantities and the depth of the holes. It also includes the locked detonator information of each hole. Live access to the database supplies immediately information to management on the progress and quality of the blast that is currently being prepared for blasting.
Now, Tinus, it's one thing having the product, but you need to be able to use it effectively as well. So what training and product support does BME offer to AXXIS users?
There is quite a couple of training that we actually offer the clients. We do an on-site training that is based in a classroom session consisting of theory followed by a field practicals. Full assessments are conducted on the trainees after the completion of their training, followed by a system certification process. Remote training is done through online-based technology like video learning. We make use of online e-learning, and certification are done through virtual assessments. In-country product support is done by a local AXXIS technician in-country. When required, an AXXIS product specialist from South Africa can be on site within 24 hours to 48 hours for investigation and report preparation.
Thanks, Tinus. Now, obviously, the future of mining means sustainable mining. How does BME, and particularly using AXXIS technology, how does this enable sustainable mining?
Gerald, the accuracy of the detonator delays has been further fine-tuned, reaching a 0.025% firing accuracy for consistent and quality blasts that results in better rock fragmentation as well as consistency. This in turn helps the mines to improve their carbon footprint as they pursue increasingly vital sustainability targets. The accuracy of the blast design and initiation system and also allow the mines to ensure they are prepared and operating within regulatory limits regarding vibration controls.
Thank you, Tinus, for that. So when do you expect to roll out AXXIS Titanium in Africa?
The product is currently being approved by the DMR in South Africa, and we do have a 10-year IS certificate. We are also certified in Australia, Indonesia, and the USA. So we are currently busy rolling out in South Africa, Australia, and Indonesia, and then the rest of Africa and the USA will follow during the first quarter of 2022.
Tinus Brits, thank you very much for joining us on Mining Review Africa today. We look forward to chatting to you in future about other innovative BME products.
Thank you very much, Gerald. It was a pleasure.